to perform few examples that are based on special products, that too under identity number 2. So here the identity number 2 states that a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So based upon this identity, so we are going to perform the example number 1. So here the identity is of a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So now we are performing the first example, which is nothing but the simplify three by 5 m square plus 1 by 3 n cube whole to the power of 2. Then now the solution starts. So whereas in the solution we have to find out the simplified form of 3 by 5 m square plus 1 by 3 n cube whole square, but it is similar to the identity, that is a plus b whole square, that is a stands for here the first term, that is 3 by 5 m square, and b stands for the second term, that is 1 by 3 n cube, so whole square. So it is similar to a plus b whole square. So here we know that a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here based upon this, the expansion of 3 by 5 m square plus 1 by 3 n cube whole square is equals to. So here first of all let us compare the terms. So here by comparing the terms we have to replace a by means of 3 by 5 m square, and we have to replace b by means of 1 by 3 n cube. Then the resulting will be of a must be replaced by 3 by 5 m square, but it must be squared, since in the right hand side of the identity is of a square, plus 2ab, 2 into a value is of 3 by 5 m square into b value is of 1 by 3 n cube plus b square. So b is of 1 by 3 n cube, but it must be squared, whereas in the middle term denominator is of 3 and the numerator is of 3, they can be gets cancelled by means of 1, 3 ones in the denominator and 3 ones in the numerator. Then now the next logical step will be of the square will be applicable for both 3 by 5 and as well as m square. Similarly here in the last term, square is applicable for both 1 by 3 and as well as n cube. So now the next logical step will be of, so here 3 square, 3 is repeated twice, 3 square is of 9 in the numerator, and 5 square, 5 5 is 25 is in the denominator. Then m square must be squared. So here the next logical step will be of, so 3 square value is of 9 in the numerator and 5 square value is 25 in the denominator. So here m square but whole square as it is, plus then middle term is of 2 ones is of 2, denominator will be of 1 here, 2 ones is of 2, 2 into 1 is of 2 in the numerator, 1 into 5, 5, 5 into 1 is of 5. So therefore 2 by 5 will be remain same, then m square n cube. So it is of middle term will be of 2 by 5 m square n cube plus 2 by 5 m square n cube plus last term is of square is applicable for both numerator and denominator, 1 square value 1 1 is of 1 in the numerator and 3 square 3 3 is of 9 in the denominator. So here n cube whole square must be written as it is. So the next logical step will be of 1 square is of 1 and 3 square value 3 3 is of 9. Then now here n cube but whole square must be written as it is. Then the next logical step will be of 9 by 25, but here it is in the form of a power m whole power n type. So we know, so a power m whole power n is equals to a power m bracket n. So it is of m bracket indicates into n. So here based upon this identity, so here I am going to what I say here utilize this identity in order to write this logical step. That is a power m whole power n is equals to a power m into n. So here m to the power of 2 into 2 m into n. So here m stands for here this 2 and here n stands for this 2. So here m and n must be multiplied. So here this 2 bracket indicates into 2 into 2. So I am going to write as a 2 into 2 plus 2 by 5 m square n cube written as it is plus 1 by 9. So here also we have to apply the same principle, that is n to the power of 3 must be multiplied with 2. So 3 into 2 based upon this identity a power m whole power n is equals to a power m into n. So here that implies 9 by 5, so 9 by 25 m to the power of 2 to the size of 4 plus 2 by 5 m square n cube, then now plus 1 by 9, so n to the power of 3 to the size of 6. So in this manner, so I got, so here hence 3 by 5 m square plus 1 by 3 n cube whole square is equals to, the product is 9 by 25 m to the power of 4 plus 2 by 5 m square n cube plus 1 by 9 n to the power of 6 is the result. So similarly, let us perform one more example, that is example number 2. So in this example, let us find the value of or evaluate the value. So here evaluate or find the value of 207 whole square by using identity, that is a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So by utilizing this identity, that is a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, we have to find out the value of 207 whole square. Then now the solution starts. So in our solution, in order to find out the value of 207 whole square, first of all we have to split 207 as a plus b, two parts, the sum of two parts. So we can write as a 207 is nearer to the round figure, that is 200. So we can write it as 200 plus 7 is nothing but 207 within the brackets, but it is squared. But now it is in the form of 200 plus 7 whole square is in the form of a plus b whole square. A stands for here 200 and b value is of 7. Then now we can utilize our identity, that is a plus b whole square identity. Then now the next logical step will be of, say here since a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, based upon this principle or the identity, so here we can find out the value of 207 whole square. So here we have to find out 207 whole square value. So we split it as, so 200 plus 7 whole square. Then now by comparing, so here we have to replace a by means of 200 and b by means of 7. So here at a is equals to 200 and at b is equals to 7. So here we have to replace a by means of 200 and b by means of 7 in the result. So here now the result is of a value 200, but it must be squared, plus 2 into a into b. So 2 into a value is of 200 again. So here into b is of 7 plus b square, that is b value is of 7, that is 7 whole square, that equals to 2 must be repeated twice. So 2 2's is of 4, then now double 0, it must be squared. So here instead of 2 zeros we have to write 4 zeros, or in other words 200 into 200, that is 200 whole square is of 40,000 plus 2 2's is of 4, 4 7's is of 28. So here 2 2's is of 4, 4 into 7 is of 28 followed by double 0, or 2 into 200 is of 400, 400 into 7 is of 2800 plus 7 square, 7 7's is of 49. Then now that implies 40,000 plus 2800 is of 42,800. Then now plus 49 written as it is, then now that implies 42,800 plus 49 is nothing but 42,849. So in this manner I got the value of 207 whole square as, so here hence 207 whole square is equals to 42,849. So in the similar manner, let us perform one more example, that is example number 3. So in this example, if x plus 1 by x is equals to 9, so we have to find out the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Then now the solution starts. So here, as per the problem, if condition is of x plus 1 by x equals to 9, which is given for us. So x plus 1 by x is equals to 9 is given, but we have to find out x square plus 1 by x square, but whereas in the given there are no squares, only just x plus 1 by x is given, x raised to the power of 1 divided by x raised to the power of 1. So your degrees are of 1 and 1 here in this case, so exponents are of 1 and 1 in this case, but we need x to the power of 2, we need the degree as 2. So here immediately we have to square on both the sides, that is SOBT stands for squaring on both the sides. So here by squaring on both sides, that means we have to square x plus 1 by x, and as well as the right hand side 9 also must be squared. So here the next logical step will be off. So that implies x plus 1 by x whole square is equals to 9 whole square, but left hand side is of x plus 1 by x whole square, which is in the form of a plus b whole square form. A is of x and b is of 1 by x. When we elaborate, so we will be getting 3 terms in its expansion, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is nothing but the identity number 2. So here based upon this principle, so here when we substitute by comparing, so here we have to replace a by means of x and b by means of 1 by x. So here a is equals to x and b is equals to 1 by x. Then now expanded form of x plus 1 by x whole square equals to 9 whole square can be written as. So here that implies, so here a plus b whole square, it is in the form of a plus b whole square. So here to expand this, we will be getting a square. A is of x, but it must be squared, plus 2ab. So here 2 into a value is of x into b value is of 1 by x. Then now plus b square, b is of 1 by x, but it must be squared because it is of b square. So now here I have expanded only the left hand side. X plus 1 by x whole square is in the form of a plus b whole square. Its expansion we have to write it as a square plus 2ab plus b square. So in its expansion we wrote as a square plus 2ab plus b square by utilizing a as x and b as 1 by x. Then that is equals to, so 9 square can be written as 9 9s are 81, or in other words expanded form is 9 into 9. So now that implies x to the power of 2 written as it is plus, so denominator x and numerator x will be gets cancelled because there is of into in between. So here only 2 ones is of 2 plus square is applicable for both numerator and denominator, 1 square is of 1 divided by square is applicable for denominator also, that is x square, that is equals to 9 9s is of 81. So here that implies, so here x square plus 1 by x square, I am going to write the third term as the second one, then that is equals to 8, right hand side is of 81 by transposing plus 2 on the other hand. So here plus 2 becomes minus 2 on the other side, that is on the right hand side. 81 minus 2 is of 79. So here 2 is of negative and 81 is of positive. To simplify this, plus into minus is of minus, subtraction, we have to subtract greater minus least. 81 minus 2 is of 79. So here to assess the sign here among these two, 2 and 81, 81 is greater, its of sign is of positive. So 79 possess or assess this positive sign. So in this manner, hence x square plus 1 by x square value is of 79, which is the required one.